MagicDoor, they charge me nothing, and they give me great convenience, so I'm very thankful for MagicDoor. I'm Michael Gordon, and my business is I have 72 properties. They are all single-family house in Houston, Texas. I take over from my property manager to manage all my properties by myself. I am the owner. The biggest challenge is I have to hire one property manager, and I don't think he can do the job very efficiently, and MagicDoor can do most of the jobs of property manager can do. The most valuable job for me is to manage new tenants for me. There are two functions. One is the payment of rent, and the second one is to renew my leasing agreement. The automation, when any tenants have a maintenance request, AI will distribute their requirement to my contract or other teammate. It's very efficient after using MagicDoor. I do think MagicDoor is designed and used as AI-driven. It can develop itself. Other property website, they are looking a bit rigid, and they cannot improve time by time. That's great because MagicDoor, they charge me nothing, and they give me great convenience, so I'm very thankful for MagicDoor.